there, Gabby here with Work Talk, and today we are going to dive in on how to create and send your first talk. So, you should have received a welcome email with login credentials. Once you've received that, you'll head over to worktalk.com, click on that sign in button at the top right-hand corner. This is where you will put in your email and that password that we provided. You're able to change that once you're inside the portal, but for now, just go ahead and use that. Select login. Here's the home page of our portal. Since we're creating a talk, that's what we're going to select. Select create talk, and that'll bring us to our create talk page. Now, here we have the option to select one of the HR preloaded templates that we have inside the portal for you. This is for those who are not sure where to start or might need help with some language in your questioning. This is a great resource to kind of look through the questions, all of that good stuff. For this example, we'll use the general template. We'll go through the questions here shortly. Next, you'll want to put in there we go. Put in a title. Then once you select your title, you're able to select all of the users that you would like this talk to go to. So you can select them all, or if there are specific employees that you want this to go to, you're able to select them as well. Next, we need to pick a start date. So you can either start today, you can start a week from now, a month from now, whatever it may be. We would recommend if you've given your employees a heads up that, hey, we got this new tool that we're going to be using, we would recommend an all hands meeting. So maybe you want to schedule it for that meeting. That way they can all take out their phones, answer the first talk all together. So that's what we would probably recommend. So you can go ahead and just schedule that out for whenever your all hands meeting is. If you want to add a deadline on there, we would recommend keeping it open for about a week. That way, if you have rotating shifts or anything similar, all employees have a chance to answer the talk and you can read their feedback. Or the other option is to make it a reoccurring talk. If that's the case, you'll click that little checkbox. You can choose between daily, weekly, or monthly. We found that weekly seems to be the sweet spot for some of the best feedback. So that's what we would recommend. Then you can go through each of these questions. So how are you feeling? We got some quick touch emoji responses. As you can see right here on the right-hand side, the two check boxes. That means that if an employee selects either one of those responses, they will be flagged and moved up to the top so you know that it's a priority to follow up with them first. That you can select on any of the questions. So have you met or achieved your milestones since our last talk? This might not be a great question for your first talk since you haven't had a last talk, but as you can see, came up short. You might want to flag that. That way you know, oh, hey, I need to follow up with Jenna. What did she come up short on? How can I help best support her? For this example, we'll go ahead and get rid of those questions that mentioned the last talk. They're easily editable as well. As you can see, you can mess around with the language if you have certain community or culture language that you use at your organization. This is perfect for that. So then you just go through each question. You can make them open-ended or multiple choice. So just read through those. If you wanted to add more, you just select with the green box here with the plus sign. And then these automated responses, this is what your employees will see when they complete a talk. So all you have to do next is select save and send. And your first talk is on its way. So we hope that is helpful for you. If you have any questions, please shoot us an email at contact@worktalk.com, or you can reach out to me personally, and we can help you out wherever it's needed. And with that, we hope you enjoy and stay on the lookout for more resources to come. Thanks so much.